Hey, what's up, everyone? Future CNAs, instructors, and test candidates. Welcome back to the NurseJar YouTube CNA exam training channel. And if this is your first visit, I hope you're here to stay. Please subscribe. Guys, today we are going to tackle Count and Record Radial Pulse. Now listen, I want y'all to open both ears very wide so y'all can hear what I'm about to say. In the state of Texas, only 74% of testing candidates pass this skill. That is downright jaw-dropping, slap your instructor sob worthy. But don't really slap your instructors, okay, people? But look, seriously, as instructors and students, we need to try to figure out why that pass rate is so low. Now, here's the deal. Some candidates place their fingers in the wrong spot, not on the thumb side of the wrist. Others use their thumb, which has its own pulse. Big no-no. The evaluator is watching exactly where your fingers are being placed. And just like with respirations, some candidates count less than 1 minute and some count more than a minute, right? Or they count for 30 seconds and forget to multiply. But just remember, guys, the evaluator has their own timer. So when you say start, they start that timer. When you say stop, they stop that timer. This is how they ensure that you have counted for 1 full minute. So no half stepping, okay? And remember, some even count respirations instead of the radial pulse. And don't forget to document. Put that paper somewhere where you can see it. So now that you know what to avoid, let's dive into the demo and get this skill locked in.
Come in.
Hi, good morning, Miss Ryan. I'm Julie, your CNA, and today I'm going to be counting your radial pulse, okay?
Okay.
Before I get started, I just want to make sure your bed is in a low, safe position, and it is. Your bed wheels are locked. I'm going to place the call light in your hand, and I'm going to provide you with privacy. Miss Ryan, before I go wash my hands, is there anything I can do for you?
Nope, I'm okay.
Okay, I'll be right back. Washing hands. All right, Miss Ryan, I am back. Let's see. Your arm. Turn your palm upward and just place my hand to feel your pulse. Okay. I'm going to start and stop on the 3. Start. Stop. All right, Miss Ryan, your heart rate is 70, okay? Before I leave, I'm just going to make sure your bed is in a low, safe position, and it is. Your bed wheels are locked. You still have your call light in your hand. Would you like for your privacy curtain to remain closed, or would you like for me to open them?
Open, please.
Open. Okay, before I leave for the day, is there anything I can do for you?
Nope.
Would you like your magazine?
I'm okay.
Any water or snack?
No, thank you.
Okay, are you comfortable?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, well, you have a good day, okay?
Thank you, you too.
Washing hands. Washing hands. Skill complete.